Filipino.
I am a Filipino, nurturer for various past, also in uncertain future. As such, I must appropriate equal to the two-fold task. The past of meaning my responsibility to the past, the task of performing my obligation to the future.
I sprung from a hardy race, child of many generations, removed of ancient Malayan pioneers. Across the centuries, the memories come rushing back to me of brown-skinned men putting out to sea in ships that were as frail as their hearts were stout. Over the sea, I see them come, borne upon the billowing wave and the whistling wind, carried upon the mighty swell of hope of the free abundance of the new land that was to be their home and their children forever.
This is the land they sought and found. Everything offshore that their eyes first set upon. Every hill and mountain that beckoned with a green and purple invitation. Every mile of our lifting that their view encompassed. That comes of plentiful living and the fruitfulness of flowers is the hallowed spot.
Chapter 5. By the right of law, human is divine. This land and all the pertinences thereof, the black and fertile soil, the seas and lakes and rivers teeming with fish, the forest with their inexhaustible wealth, timber, wild and timber, the mountains with their swollen vowel minerals. This land, this whole land, and this whole rich and happy land has been centuries without numbers. The land of my father. This land I received in trust from them, and in trust I'll pass it to my children, and so on until the world is no more.
I am a Filipino. In my blood runs immortal seed of the heresy that flowered down the centuries and depths with the courage and defense. In my veins yet pulses the same hot blood that sent Lapu-Lapu into the battle against the alien foe. I dragged Diego Silang and the Buhoy into the rebellions against the foreign